I am Johnny and I'm 11 years old. I am from Toronto, Canada. I really like math and music. I have a cute little dog. I like to eat ice cream in the summer. I have a friend at school. His name is Jimmy. He is my age, 11 years old. He likes cycling and playing soccer. We often ride bikes together. I have an adorable little dog. His name is Lou. Lou likes to eat grapes and apples. He and I often play together in the park. He runs very fast and I love him. Today is Sunday and I do not have to go to school. My mother is cooking breakfast. My father is fixing a bicycle. I'm feeding my little dog. I will have to do my homework after breakfast. In the afternoon, my whole family will go to the supermarket. Tonight my father and I will be watching a baseball game on TV. Today is a public holiday. I do not have to go to school. My friend David and I go to the park. We walk together and we eat ice cream. We play soccer. David is good at playing football. He is very skillful and he runs fast too. We are tired and we drink water. My parents are waiting at home. It's time for dinner. I say goodbye to David. Today I do not feel well. I feel headache and tired. I'm coughing and also have a runny nose. My mother calls Dr. Tom and he measures the temperature. He said, I have no fever and he gives me several pills. I do not have to go to school.